Hey everyone, welcome back to another TxePrep Math for Fun video. And in this video, we're going to do a problem from the AOIME, and more specifically, problem number 3. So, the value of x that satisfies log base 2 to the power of x of 3 to the power of 20 is equal to log base 2 to the power of x plus 3 of 3 to the 2020. And the value of x for that can be rewritten as m divided by n, and we're asked to find m plus n. And obviously, m divided by n is in those terms. So we immediately see that there's just this log problem that jumps out at us. And when we see that there's different bases, what we want to do is keep the bases the same, and that will greatly simplify the problem. So since we see it's 2 to the power of some x plus 3, or x, we're going to keep the base of the logarithms as 2. So we're going to use the base rewriting formula to rewrite these. So when we want to write this logarithm in base 2, this is going to be the same thing as log of 2 to the 3 to the power of 20 divided by log base 2 of 2 to the power of x, because that's how base rules work. And obviously that's going to be equal to this logarithm over here. And when we want to rewrite that, that's going to be log base 2 of 3 to the 2020 divided by log base 2 of 2 to the x plus 3. And now we can just simplify the bottom parts, because since it's just an exponent and this bases are the same. So this is going to be the same thing as log base 2 of 3 to the 20 divided by x over here, and that's going to be the same thing as log base 2 of 3 to the 2020 divided by, over here it's going to be x plus 3. And then we notice one more thing. We see that the bases for the exponent inside the logarithms are the same. And since there's an exponent inside, maybe we can move this exponent outside, these exponents outside over here, and then this would be easy to solve and simplify. That's exactly what we're going to do. So since there's an exponent of 20 over here, we can rewrite this as 20 times log base 2 of 3 and get rid of the exponent. And since there's an exponent of 2020 over here, we can rewrite this as 2020 log base 2 of 3 to the 2020. And we can get rid of the exponent over here. Okay. Now we can divide log base 2 of 3 by both sides, since this is just a numerical thing. And we can just eliminate that, or not use, and we don't need to use it anymore. So it's simply just 20 divided by x is equal to 2020 divided by x plus 3. And when you rewrite that, that's going to be the same thing as 2000 is equal to 60. 2000x is equal to 60. And when we divide 2000 by both sides, we get x is going to be the same thing as 30 over 200, which is the same thing as 3 over 100. So m is 3 and 100 is n, so m plus n is going to be 103. And that's our final answer for this logarithm question over here.